10 of our Seed to Harvest lessons. We're about halfway through the plant life cycle. The plant life cycle is watching the plant from a seed all the way till death. Last week, we transplanted our pepper plants from their pots into the soil. We also took a look to see if there were any flowers starting to grow. We looked at a hot pepper who seemed to have a flower that was starting to open. It's even more open this week. It's pretty exciting to see how these flowers are starting to grow. These flowers here are for a hot pepper plant. Our sweet bell pepper that we've been watching this whole time hasn't quite produced flowers yet. They are starting to grow into a nice bud, but haven't opened up yet. That'll happen soon. Often when folks transplant their pepper plants into the soil, they'll actually remove all of these flowers to send energy into the roots so the plant can grow strong. Eventually, these flowers will turn into fruit, and those fruits will grow seeds inside them. And then the plant life cycle begins again. We've been looking at the life cycle of a pepper plant since our very first week. We started with those seeds that we planted that started to sprout and grow. Over the last couple months, they have grown and grown. It took them quite a while to get so strong. Months and months of sending energy into their roots and stretching their leaves up towards the sky. We counted their leaves, we watched them grow by measuring their height to make sure that our peppers were growing strong. So much of a plant life cycle is that beginning of growing. We watched our plants grow for a very long time. In fact, we had to move them into 2 new homes throughout their life cycle. All living things have a life cycle. When you're growing your own plants, you're in charge of where that life cycle takes place. Now that our peppers are in their new home, they've grown super tall and will continue to grow stronger over the next couple months. Let's go over the plant life cycle together. The first stage is birth, when the seed begins to sprout. As it grows, the next stage is growth. There's a lot of growing that happens. Next is reproduction, and that's where the plant makes more versions of itself, the fruit. Finally, the last stage is death. And then the cycle begins again. The seeds are found within the fruit, and those seeds get planted, and the growth happens again. Remember, a cycle is a circle. It goes around and around. Hasn't this been a fun journey? We can't wait to continue to watch these pepper plants grow. For now, see you later. Bye.